Have you noticed that the worst kind of homophobes are the ones who are narcissist and closeted? Kasi they have to protect their own image. They seek external validation all the time. Kung mukha kang model, lalaking-lalaki ka, playboy image ka, pero naman yung inner desire mo is to be with a man. Napaka-complex ng feeling na yun. I'm sure na they hate that kind of feeling. And they project this hatred towards other people who can freely express their sexuality. Kaya mas mean sila sa mga taong may freedom. Also, nandun na yung internal conflict nila about morality, sin, society's expectation about them, 'di ba? Kaya sobrang hate nila yung mga kabaro nila. Nako, lalo na kung narcissist pa. Paano na walang empathy yan sa ibang tao? They can't feel the same emotions nung ibang mga tao. Kaya talagang they're nasty towards them. Again, especially sa mga kabaro nila. Pero kung closeted ka din, tapos closeted din yung mamimit mo, eh party-party yun. Pero yung openly gay, they fear that somehow. Sila din yung mga taong mean sa girls. Because they want to be you. Kaya talagang pagpasensyahan na lang at huwag papatol sa mga may diferensya.